Wow, don't they look good? What's going on, Joyriders? We're gonna do one quick little upgrade that's gonna help this car a lot. Not only gonna help performance, it's also gonna look good and definitely improve the look of the front. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put an intercooler on the Cobra so everybody thinks it's turbo, and then I'm gonna title this video, I turbo swapped my Cobra. The Cobra has a factory heat exchanger on it still, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap all that out, because the factory one just looks like garbage. It looks pretty janky. Does a heat exchanger make the car faster? I don't know. We're gonna definitely improve the look of the front of this car. People are gonna think it's faster. I'm sure it's probably gonna be faster. I bet it, I don't know. But here's the new heat exchanger. It's gonna look good with the Cobra. Yeah, there's the hardware. So all this stuff right here, if you guys are wondering where I got it, I actually got this stuff for free. It came with the car. Yeah, it came with the car, and when I got the car off of Maxwell, he pretty much gave me a box of old car parts from the truck, and I still, like, in that right there, some of the stuff says turbo right there. That's what I'll do. I'll hold the turbo up and then do that right next to it and be like, I'm modding the Cobra, so people will think I'm putting a turbo on it, but we're really not. And then maybe like we'll get like a ton of views, and then people are gonna like, he put a turbo on the car. I gotta figure out a way to clickbait this. This is actually the factory turbo that came on the truck. It'll probably fit. Oh yeah, she'll fit. If anybody's looking for a Garrett turbo, let me know. I don't know what these things go for, but it was the one that went on my F350 Power Stroke. If you ask me, does it work? Oh, yeah, it works. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the car pulled in, and get it up on the lift, and then start doing this. Laura's actually at the store right now. Well, she went by the Ford dealership to go grab me. The coolant that I'm using is the Ford Motorcraft, the gold. I don't even know if that's the right shit that's in there right now. I think somebody else put something else in there. Everything about this car has just been kind of weird. Overall, it's definitely a fun car, and I've enjoyed it so far. If I finish this in time, because I don't know what I'm getting into, because I've never removed the front bumper on the front of these cars. Headlights are definitely easy to remove. I did the heat exchanger on the GT500, but that was before I like recorded everything I did to my car. The heat exchanger on that car was a lot more difficult than the heat exchanger on this car, because it came with like the high flow fans and all that stuff, and you had to wire all that in. Quick update so far, still trying to get the front bumper removed. I got the headlights out and I've got everything unbolted, but there's these two weird bolts up in here. They're like on the other side, and they're an 11mm. That's what I'm trying to get out right now. First time removing this bumper, and that it's just a little bit different. And then the bracket, but this bracket, I'm gonna have to repaint that, because I'm gonna have to reuse this bracket for the new heat exchanger, and it's flaking with rust. Let's see how bad that looks. Yeah, I'm gonna repaint. I'm gonna freshen all that up. Whoa, buddy. What do you got?
Coolant for you.
Okay, you gonna help me put it in?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we gotta drain this one first, okay?
Okay.
You gonna help me hold the camera?
Yeah, well, I see your hand in there.
You see my hands in there?
Yeah.
All right, you're about to see all the old coolant come out. Maybe. Yeah, look at that.
Green?
Yeah, it's green.
What's it green for?
Yeah, I think somebody put the wrong stuff in there.
Bobby, the guy who owned it before we did, put it in there.
Yeah.
Because I don't know why someone put it in there. Do you?
I don't know, bud. What do you think?
Bobby? Don't know. How are you going to get that thing back up without getting your hand wet?
Well, it'll be all right, bud. So we're gonna take this out too, because I've got an aftermarket aluminum, you know, I guess whatever, reservoir, whatever you guys want to call this thing, expansion tank, I don't know, like there's probably so many different names for this thing. Hopefully it fits on there right. If it doesn't fit, then I'll probably end up putting this one back on, but I'm gonna just pop this off, try it on, and see what happens. And here is the new one, which is gonna pretty much sit right in there, but it looks kind of big. There's the new tank, but look at how high that thing sticks up. That thing sticks up super high. I pulled the vent out of there just to kind of look in there. Look at this. That thing is just, it looks bad because you can actually see it exposed right there. But that thing just sticks up so high. Definitely looks good though.
Well, I got your hands in it and that black thing in it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
All right, look, it's out, buddy. So it's probably a good thing we're changing. Look at that, it's leaking right from that hose.
Dad, I saw it on the ground.
Okay.
I saw it some dripping.
Yeah, it looks like there was a slight bit of a leak right there. But now, what, buddy?
I saw the leak on this too.
Yeah, it came out of there too, bud. But that's the old one. The new one's gonna look so much better, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not gonna look dirty like that, right?
Right. It's gonna look so much better.
Yeah, it's not gonna look dirty, right?
Right. Did you see the new one?
No.
You didn't see the new one? Here's the test. Can you read what that says?
I don't know what it says.
Okay, what letter is that?
C.
Yeah.
And then
Okay. That's a O?
Yeah. And it says like
Okay.
wait, I think it's actually a zero or a
Okay, well what do you think that says, buddy?
Cobra.
Oh, there you go. What letter is that?
R.
Yeah, and what's that last letter?
R.
It does kind of look like an R, but it's an A. See how the R kind of curves in and goes out, and then, yeah. But that's okay, that one, I'll give you that. They do kind of look alike.
It's a lowercase a.
That's a uppercase.
Uppercase A.
Yep. So let's see this thing next to the old one.
Nice.
Yeah, it's gonna look good in there. So now what I have to do is I've got to remove this bracket. I'm gonna try to clean it up, paint it and all that stuff, and make it look nice. This is what I just realized. This bracket, once it hooks back up in here and connects right here, you're gonna have this that's gonna basically be right in front of the intercooler. It's gonna be right in front of the heat exchanger, and see that tab right there on top, and then see how it's gonna be right in front. That's gonna look bad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna cut that out right there. So I couldn't find my safety glasses, so I gotta thank BOOSTane for hooking me up with these glasses. They actually sent them in the package when they sent me all the Octane Booster. So guys, if you haven't checked out them, definitely do. They have awesome sunglasses, because I'm gonna grind this off. Looks good. Yeah, I think it's good. It'll work. Let me give you a quick update on what's going on right now, because what I did with those pieces, the ones that I took off that looked really, really bad, the brackets that are holding the heat exchanger on, I've pretty much just been painting those, and this is where we're at right now. We're just waiting for them to dry. It's just a flat paint. This is pretty much the paint that I used. It's a high heat engine paint, and it's black. So there we go. Should look good, but we're just waiting for it to finish up. Should be dry soon. Once they dry, I'm gonna mount them up on the car, get the heat exchanger, everything mounted back up, and get the coolant put in there, and we should be ready to start wrapping this thing back up. This did take a lot longer than what I expected it to take, but that's just typically how it goes. So I got the new bracket on there, and it went right through there, and then the part where I cut out, it's got a little scuffed up from where I had it on the floor, but hopefully we don't see that. She looks good. Now we just got to get her up there, see how she looks. It's actually pretty damn snug. So good. 100 times better. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely a big improvement. This right here will make a huge difference, especially with heat soak.
Liam keeps jumping off the couch, or dive actually. He likes to dive.
He already had an ER visit, what, 4 days ago? 3 days ago? Mm-hmm. He fell into a, concrete planter?
Yep.
That was the old heat exchanger. This is the new one. Just gotta put this clamp back up and then
So your heat's gonna be
hook that
exchanged
hose.
a lot more efficiently now.
Correct. Well, the heat exchanger install is done. I'm gonna go ahead, wrap everything up, put the bumper back on, and I will get right to just basically just showing you guys this with the bumper back on.
So JD finished installing my heat exchanger. He was pretty excited about it. I think it looks pretty good in there. We really had fun with this project. And what do you guys think we should do to it next?
Give me a thumbnail, babe. I need a thumbnail. There you go. This is gonna be my thumbnail, babe. Right there. So are you officially claiming this car as yours
I
now?
thought that was already done.
Really?
Was there any real claiming involved? Did that even have to ever be like an issue?
All right, you know what I realized? We did not get coffee in this vlog. I'm super tired. After we wrap this up, I'm getting coffee. You're not, I am. I guess the Cobra is officially yours now. No?
Why are you saying now?
She keeps claiming the Cobra, so I guess we're gonna just have to just let her have it. Are you gonna start doing videos with it?
Yeah, I'll try.
She's gonna try. Are you actually gonna try to do videos with it?
Yeah, I'll try.
No, I want you to actually pick up the vlog camera, a GoPro, anything, I don't care. Any type of camera, I want you to start making videos with the Cobra. And we'll post them on the YouTube channel.
Okay.
What do you guys think? Should we do that? Just let Laura just have the camera go do her own thing with the Cobra? I don't even know if that, there's probably gonna be some dumb video. She's like, all right guys, today we're going antiquing. Are you going to though?
I guess.
She will. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. We're gonna go ahead, or you're gonna go ahead, wrap up your video since I did the mods to it. So it's your video, you wrap it up. Your car. You got this.
Thanks for watching. I guess you guys can tell me what my first video with the Cobra should be. So, let me know. Bye.